Welcome back to Life Jewels with me, HV the Life Coach, where we talk about how to awaken your mindset, reset your habits, and transform your mindset, habits, and life for more positive, ideal results. Listen, Jay-Z said this a long time ago. He said the key to success is two things. Very simple. The key to success is two things: preparation and persistence. I know some of you guys are like, what? That's it? What does that even mean? And some of you guys go, yeah, that makes sense. I mean, that makes a lot of sense. Now I'm here to break it down for those who don't understand and to go a little bit more in depth for those who might already understand but didn't look at it this way. Okay. My mentor always tells me first and foremost that everything that we do in this life starts in the mind. You don't believe me? I need you to look around at all man-made things. This phone, this laptop, whatever device you're looking at me through, man-made. The clothes I'm wearing, the clothes you're wearing, man-made. The devices that connect us electronically, talking about the internet, man-made. All these things started where? In the mind. Someone conceived it in their head, then received it in their hands, and made it possible for all of us to have it. Right? So you have an idea. You have to get prepared. The foundation of anything is preparation. Jim Rohn said, and I believe this is Jim Rohn. If this is Jim Rohn, I'm sorry for misquoting him. He said, if you fail to prepare, you're preparing to fail. I'll say it again. If you fail to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Preparation is the key for everything. The foundation of what you do moving forward has to be based off preparation. If you have a vision in your head, you can't just go into working on it like a construction worker. All construction workers look at a blueprint. That blueprint is designed by what? The architect. The architect had the vision in their minds of what this building is going to look like. And then they drew it on paper. They made it visible in a way that people could see it and conceive it in their own minds. So now they can all share the vision, right? The key was to prepare themselves. How did they prepare? By building the blueprint, designing the blueprint, designing the plan, what they're gonna do. Not only do they have the blueprint, but now they also have a project, a deadline. So they have a due date for this, a due date for that. They got to get checked in with the electricity. They got to get checked in with the construction workers. The foundation has to be set up here. They have to check the environmental fact. All these things requires a lot of preparation. Now, not only is it preparation, but it's time consuming. And some people will give up. It takes a lot of effort. Some people don't have the tenacity, the willpower, the energy, the drive, the ambition, the desire to continue moving forward. Now, I'm telling you, um, Bill Gates said what? A lot of people overestimate what they can do within 1 year and underestimate what they could do in 10 years. So, if you want to change your life, don't think about changing your life in the span of a year, but in the span of 10 and decades. It's a plan in decades. I forget the quote or who it's by, but I think it's by Confucius. I forget the whole thing, but it said if you want to change a generation, plant a seed. If you want to change yourself, eat the apple or something like that, right? Eat the apple. If you want to change a generation, plant the seed. What does that mean? What does it plant the seed? Planting the seed, the thing that has everything within it to become whatever it needs to be, just like you and I. Just keep that in mind. You don't need anything outside of you. That's a side story, but you don't need anything else outside of you. You have everything within you to become what you need to be, just like the seed does. This seed gets planted. The seed prepares to become a tree by stop being what it already is, which is a seed. It turns and becomes a sprout. And it prepares to grow above ground by going below ground and spreading its roots so that it has a strong foundation. The key to you succeeding is for you to build the foundation to prepare for the future. You cannot have growth above without having growth below. Secure your foundation, prepare properly, and then be mindful that things are going to take time, right? The same day you plant the seed is not the same day you eat the fruit. We've all heard that before, and if you haven't, you heard it now. It's not my quote, but yeah, it's very true. The same day you plant this seed is not the same day you're going to eat the fruit. It has to have a gestational period, a period of growth. The same day you have conception with your lover is not the same day you deliver the baby. You need to have an understanding that everything has a growth period. everything has a persistence in your energy to carry out the willpower. I mean, sorry, your willpower. Oof, wow. You have to have a certain level of willpower with your energy to carry out the necessary preparation that you have in your life in order to bring about the results that you want to have in your mind. Does that make sense? You have to prepare, plan, and then work the plan. Plan the work the plan. Prepare, be persistent, have faith, do the work. What you do consistently will become the primary thing of what your daily actions look like. Your daily actions is something you do frequently. And like 19 Key said, what you do frequently becomes your frequency. Your frequency is determined by your daily actions, your daily thoughts, emotions, and actions. I have this acronym called TEAM: thoughts, emotions, actions, manifestations. T plus E plus A equals M. You can also call it TIER for results instead of manifestation. I say this because your thoughts, again, everything starts in the mind, your thoughts produce an emotion. Your emotions produce an action, and those actions over time lead to results or manifestations. If you want to have a certain level of success in any area, you need to prepare for it. Proper levels of preparation are important. And then proper preparation will prevent piss poor performance. I needed to add that earlier. I'm sorry. I'm adding that now. Proper preparation will prevent piss poor performance. So if you don't want bad results, prepare properly. Alex Ramosi always talks about a a bad idea or a good idea carried out by mediocre results, mediocre actions or no actions at all will produce mediocre results or no results at all. He says, but a genius with no plan is not going to be as successful as a fool with a plan. And it could be a bad plan, it could be an all right plan, it could be a decent plan, but as long as you stick to the plan and you're consistent with it, you will reach success. So preparation is key and persistence is key. Prepare your future, prepare the foundation, build the blueprint, design everything you need to have, look at it, stick to it. I guarantee you, if you create a vision, a game plan, and you stick to that game plan, you're going to see results. I had another mentor tell me this: it's not about which direction you choose on the compass, right? You want to take a journey somewhere, it doesn't matter where you're going. Just pick a direction and go. The the second you stay with that journey, sorry, the second you stay with the journey, the longer you stay with that journey, eventually you'll come to your destination. Now, it's not like we're just gonna pick to go to Paris and then go east, northwest, and then no. He says, pick a destination and walk towards it. Walk towards it, drive towards it, fly towards it, swim towards it, right? Ride a boat towards it. Whatever the case is, go towards it. Don't turn left. Don't turn right. Don't go back. Don't go up. Don't go down. Just go straight towards where you got to go. There might be detours here and there, distractions. Stick to the plan. You know this is the destination you got to go. Stick to it. Now, here's the cool thing about it: you're going to have a vision of what you want in your life. Focus on that vision so deeply that nothing can stop you from getting to it. However, be adaptable, right? The plan how to get there might change, but don't let the vision dissipate. What does dissipate mean? Don't let it disappear. Don't let it go away. Focus on the vision. Have it deep in your mind, in your heart, in your actions. But be mindful that the vision stays the same. The way to get to the vision and make it happen may change. And that also comes with adaptability. So be able to prepare, be persistent. I'm going to add something that might help: adapt, so that you can continue to follow the plan and persist. Now, your emotions might tell you, oh, I don't want to do this right now. Stick to the plan. Persistence. Prepare for that too. Find a way to tell yourself, hey, I know I'm going to feel that way in the future. And find a way to fulfill that need or desire before it happens. Be preemptive with your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Everything is better when you're prepared. You go on a date with a woman, for a man, who's a better fit for you? A person that prepared everything, you don't have to do anything but show up. They took care of the event, the food, the ride there and home, taking care of you with a gift and all these other things. Even maybe even bought you two dresses to choose from, right? Versus the person today, what do you want to do? The person that prepared everything sounds lovely. That's you. You prepared everything. So I'm saying this to you because I want you to understand that you in your life can make a change. All you have to do is prepare and persist. Thank you, Jay Z, for sharing that wisdom a long time ago. They asked how to be successful, and that was his key wisdom. I'm going to add adapt. Prepare, persist, and adapt. As always, thank you for tuning into Life Jewels. I'm HB the Life Coach. Please follow and subscribe to my podcast, to my webpage. If you like this content, please give me a like, comment, and share. Subscribe to the channel. If you feel like this might benefit someone else, please share it with them. As always, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Peace.